The Fall of the House of Usher. Disassembling the Tower. Hello everyone. This model has been designed following the details of a real house in Tennessee. It is the Woodruff-Fontaine Home Museum building, located in the area known as Millionaire's Row in the city of Memphis. Let's start by looking at the pieces of the tower of the House of Usher. The tower gives great personality to the design of the building. Let's take a look at its parts. We can remove the trapdoor from the roof. The railings that crown the perimeter stand out. We can open the tower because its elevation is only fitted. In this way, we can place our characters here. The windows can be glazed. Let's see it. They are two-sided pieces that fold. In the middle, we can place an acetate. We glue the whole. Everything is united. We place the window in the elevation and glue it in the marked position. The roof has some anchors to glue the four upper grids, and the space to place the upper piece. The porthole windows would be glued in their marked position. At the base of the tower, we glued the four brick corners, placed in their anchorages. We fit the complete elevation to the base. The top piece of the roof. The base has a hole. It is the access of the staircase. In a simple way, we put the complete tower in its position. I hope you like this model. See you at the House of the Usher.